In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Display. After that, scroll down again and click on Refresh Rate. Lastly, you can click on Default or select Custom and tap on Refresh Rate below it. Now click on the best option for you in order to set it up. And when you finished, tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!